In today's video, you'll learn how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify so you can automatically sync your store data and use it for email and SMS marketing. Once these two platforms are connected, Klaviyo can track orders, customer activity, and product data, allowing you to send more personalized marketing messages. Let's go through the process step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the dashboard, open the Shopify App Store and search for the Klaviyo Marketing app. Once you find it, click Install and allow Shopify to add the app to your store. After the installation is complete, the next step is connecting your store inside Klaviyo. Open your Klaviyo account and go to the Integration section in the left menu. Here, you'll see a list of available integrations. Search for Shopify and click on it to start the setup. Now you'll be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. This is the address that ends with myshopify.com, such as yourstore.myshopify.com. After entering your store URL, click the button to connect your store. Klaviyo will then redirect you to Shopify so you can approve the connection. Simply follow the prompts and authorize the permissions. This allows Klaviyo to access important data from your store, such as customers, orders, and products. Once the connection is approved, you'll see several options for configuring the integration. First, you can choose to sync your email subscribers from Shopify to a specific list in Klaviyo. For example, many store owners create a list called Newsletter, where all email subscribers are automatically added. If you collect phone numbers for marketing, you can also enable SMS subscriber syncing so those contacts are added to a dedicated list for text messaging campaigns. Another important option is historical data syncing. Enabling this allows Klaviyo to import past order and customer data from Shopify. This helps you build segments and marketing flows based on previous purchases. Next, make sure on-site tracking is enabled. This option automatically installs Klaviyo's tracking script on your store, so it can monitor actions like product views, browsing behavior, and cart activity. Finally, open your Shopify online store editor and check that the Klaviyo app embed is turned on. This ensures the tracking features work correctly across your website. Once everything is connected and synced, Klaviyo will start collecting store data in real time. You can then use that data to create automated flows like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and product recommendations. And that's how you connect Klaviyo to Shopify. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.